British people will say game and American people will say match. But overall, especially when you're talking about the sport of football or soccer, British people will say, oh, are you going to watch the match tonight? Are you going to watch the match tonight between England and Croatia? And Americans would say, are you going to watch the game tonight? The game tonight. Well, actually, for them, it's Americans, it's the afternoon. So that's the difference between match and game. Match and game. And now that we have, let's go up here. Thank you very much. We have, looks like almost 300 people here with us live. Please click the like button or share this live stream or tag a friend. Great, let's go back. Or click the haha button, or click the angry button. That's fine. Anything is fine. But let's move on. So, same thing with tie versus draw. Oh, this one actually I should put it the other way so that they're all the same. Draw versus tie. So this is usually British people will say the word tie. Excuse me. British people will usually say the word draw, and American people will say the word tie. Now, if you don't know what those words mean, some of you might be thinking that draw means like to draw a picture, and tie means to like tie your shoes. No. A draw or a tie in sports is when you score the same amount of points. In soccer or football, same amount of goals. So, for example, 0-0, 1-1, 2-2, 3-3. That is a draw or a tie. Most people are going to say draw if they are British. While, oops, I just screwed up my screen. While Americans will probably say tie. Okay, so an American would say, oh, last night, I can't remember the last two teams that tied in the World Cup, but last night the game ended in a tie. Last night the game ended in a draw. That would be American and then British. That's how they say it. So, let me scroll down on these comments here. So far, are there any interesting questions? Even my Aussie friend made fun of me when I said, please say hi to your mom for me. And then he said, I don't have a mom, I have a mum. And I was like, are you serious? Your Aussie friend is being silly. Mum and mom. Whatever. All right, so again, the next thing, I guess I should put this same as all the others. I'll switch it. 0 versus 0. So if you're talking to a British person about sports, usually football, and the score has 0 in it, they will say nil. Nil, N-I-L, nil. However, if you are talking to an American, they will say 0. So, for example, if it's if the score is 0-0, a British person will say it is 0-0, 0-0, and an American person will say that it is 0-0. Okay? Or if the score is, let's say, 2-0, a British person will say 2-0, and an American person will say 2-0. So that's the difference. Siri Tot says, I've heard it's a draw, but can we say it's a tie? Yes, absolutely. The difference is that usually British people say it's a draw, and American people say it's a tie. That's usually the difference. However, both countries will understand whichever word you say. So if there are any other questions about that, put it in the comments below. Pam asks, who think You think who is Champions World Cup?